institutional concerns of the Muslim community, particularly the Halal. There is also a willingness to these universities to be involved in the promotion and advocacy of Halal industry. With strong programs, particularly agriculture and fisheries, these are all geared toward food production, meaning these state universities have programs in agriculture and fisheries. Moreover, the identification of these SUCs is because of the reason that there are centers of excellence, at least majority of them, which I presented earlier. And in addition, the contiguousness and proximity to Muslim populated areas. In the previous presentation, we heard repeatedly the R&D, or the Research and Development Program, is the area where the Academe can take into an active role in the promotion of Halal industry. But let me add also, the universities have three functions basically. One is instruction, second is research, third is extension. We have a new one today, the fourth one, which is production. In other words, I don't think that we can only be involved in the R&D program. We are also very, very strong in terms of instruction, that is the teaching activities of the state universities and colleges, and extension. I have also identified, this is the actual head count of the Muslim faculty members in these state universities and colleges. Why I pointed out only the Muslim faculty, but you will find out later in my presentation that many of the proponents of research proposals gearing towards halal industry development and promotion are not only Muslims but also non-Muslim who are actually Christian faculty members. So I have identified here the different areas where the Muslim faculty members who are employed in these SUCs, which are really potential as halal researchers and experts. For example, in MSU Maguindanao, there are a total of 14 faculty members. We have the Doctor of Veterinary Medicine, PhD in Animal Science, PhD in Extension, MS Agribusiness, MS Extension, Aquaculture, General Science, and Agricultural Engineering and Agronomy. There is a total of 14 strong Muslim faculty members whom I believe as good materials, not only in instruction and extension, but more importantly in research and development, particularly more on the development of the halal industry. In SKPSC, we have 3 agronomy faculty members and 1 agribusiness with a total of 4 faculty members. In CCSPC, we have 10. Most of them are concentrated in agronomy, that is crop production, and animal science, extension, and plant pathology. MSU, surprisingly, we have only 2 faculty members in the College of Agriculture, but none in the College of Fisheries. But let me show to you our active involvement in the promotion of the halal industry. And that faculty member has a degree in agricultural engineering and crop production. Of course, expectedly, Marawi being the biggest campus, we have a total of 33 Muslim faculty members who are distributed in different fields of specialization as presented in the table. In MSU TCTO, being the center for production of fish, expectedly, only identified Muslim faculty members are in the fisheries. Lately, there is also a standing order from the chairman of the CHED, Dr. Angeles. This is part of the development and capacitating not only the Muslim faculty members, but the entire teaching force of all state universities and colleges, including higher education institutions, that no one can teach in the college unless he is a holder of master's degree. That means, beginning 2011, all faculty members in SUCs and higher education institutions are holders of at least master's degree. logically it follows that we have experts, we have researchers, and I'm sure that these faculty members are already capacitated to be part of the growing R&D program of these state universities and colleges. That is a tall order. And in fact, we are trying to, we are really finding it as a problem to the heads of SUCs. For one thing, we have a significant number of faculty members who are not holders of master's degree. So beginning this second semester, they are, nagpapanik, enrolling in many master's degree left and right because they want to stay in the state universities and colleges. Why I also identify these Muslim faculty members as adequate manpower. Another reasons for that that these faculty members have adequate education in the fields of agriculture, fisheries, and related fields. That these faculty members are highly trainable because they have earned their degrees not only in local state universities, in SUCs, but also from abroad. They have more or less permanent stations of work. They have more receptive to Islamic orientation. I have a seatmate earlier that we were discussing about the concept of halal. Halal is an Islamic concept. Strictly speaking, only those who believe in Islam can promote without any reservation the halal industry, with all due respect, because halal is an Islamic concept. So what I mean when I say that more receptive to Islamic orientation is that these faculty members, being educated ones, can also be trained on the aspect of religious as far as halal industry is concerned. Moreover, these faculty members are actually the implementers of the trust and mandates of the state universities, which are instruction, research, and extension, plus production. And most importantly, these faculty members are the transmitters of knowledge. Therefore, they are in the very crucial position in developing the halal industry. In my presentation, I have included here, which was part of my resume, the Cotabato Agricultural Research and Resource Development Consortium, for the reason that of the 8 SUCs I have identified, 6 of them are PMAs, or partner member agencies, which are extensively engaged in research and development. What is this CARDEC all about? And this is also the aggregation or a consortium wherein local government units, including private institutions, are converging for the promotion or research and development, particularly in terms of agriculture. Of late, I think many of you are familiar with the PCARD, the Philippine Council for Agricultural Research and Development, as well as the PICAMARD, Philippine Council for Aquatic Resources. There is a plan to merge the two councils